Hello everyone, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with my kit lineup for the month of January. I have these monthly little scripts from Planet Hannah. I have a lavender hollow sheet that has like 4 of every month, so I'm good for 4 years, and I just go ahead and peel this off at the end of the month when I'm done emptying this out and put a new month on it. So let's go ahead and look inside. This is a Printpression B6 planner. Any B6 planner will work, and Printpression has a couple different ones in stock. And then on the inside here, it has the gold rings. I have some movie marquees on the side here, and I have just like a little cute die cut sticker. I think that this was from Hannah. And then I have all of the kits that I'm going to be using for the month of January, and I am using my little date stickers here as well. I did come out with I think 4 or 5 variations for different fonts and colors and things like that if you want to pick them up. I'm just using the one that has the different color blocks for the different months because I thought that was very cute. I don't know why I actually have the rest of those stickers. I thought they had them in here, but they might be in my other binder. So let's go ahead and go through. I will note that if you watched my video that said I'm going to be changing things up for next year, I did note that I am probably going to be doing like ombre art checklists, so I will need those, but I just haven't went to work and grabbed those yet. So just add those into all the kits that I'm going to show you. I do have Home for the Snow Day. I do have the ultimate kit along with the extras, of course. I thought this art was so pretty for January, and this is for the week of January 6th through the 12th. I am using the pine solid boxes, so I thought those would be perfect for this kit because they were made for this kit. And then also I thought the dots boxes with the dots underlays would be really cute with this in silver because it looks kind of like more like snow than the regular bougie does. And then I also have a foil bundle from Crest Press. I think I got the mini foil bundle, so it's in silver and it's in the mistletoe format, and I thought that'd be really cute with the kit itself. So love that. And again, that is the Home for the Snow Day ultimate kit. And then whenever we move to the week of January 13th through the 19th, I do have Frosted Dreams, which I love and adore. So that is Kit and Chef's Art ultimate kit with all of the extras, of course. And then for foiler, I actually have a couple different things, but I'm gonna nix this. I had like a regular, in case you wanted another option, a confetti foil bundle in sparkly hollow. I thought would look really nice with this. Another thing that I think would look really nice with this is the hollow glitter, if you wanted to do that instead of this one. Also, I do have the silver glitter, which I think would look really good with this, but also would look really good for Home with the Snow Day as well. I did have those paired with it, but then I decided to make these specific underlays for these like solid boxes for this. So I do have the Frosted Dreams solid boxes. I think is gonna be really pretty with that. It has the 2 different colors, the purple and the blue. And I also have a foil bundle. I have our Snow in Sparkly Hollow. And then I did just go ahead and pull these in because I haven't used them in a while, and it's the terrazzo. But I thought the terrazzo, especially over these solid boxes, would make it look kind of like broken ice. That'd be fun for the like ice skating kind of vibes. Super cute, but obviously this does have the snowflakes, so I could change my mind, but I think that I will use the sparkly hollow terrazzo over top of these, and I think that'll be really pretty. Also for scripts and quotes, I'm probably going to be ordering a bunch from Planet Hannah. I need to just place a Planet Hannah order in general. I haven't in a while because I've just been like very chaotic in my mind, but I am going to order some custom multis. I'm going to order a black one, probably in, I don't think you'll have seen this haul yet, but I used this font that I really liked from my personal arsenal. Where the heck did my Planet Hannah order go? It was right here. Oh, here. I really like this font. I feel like it doesn't like exactly match my handwriting, but I feel like it gives handwriting vibes. So I think I'm going to order a custom multi that's for each week that has the things that I normally do. And then I'm going to order one custom multi that has things that I do once a month. And then order 4 of the custom multi for the weeks, 1 for the month. And then I'm probably going to go through and make some quotes for each of the weeks, and that will be kind of like the Kit Kat and Caboodle. I think that's gonna be perfect. For the week of January 20th through the 26th, I was debating on if I wanted to use this now because I was like, Onyx Storm is coming out, which is the third Fourth Wing book, and I'm not like super wild. I'm like excited, but like I thought Iron Flame was like not that great. It was like fine. I feel like the middle, like 70% of it could have not been there. So I was like, I might wait until the graphic audio comes out, but then I was like, I kind of want to know. I feel like this is gonna be like a spoilery type thing because it left on like a cliffhanger. So I'm probably just gonna read it when it comes out. I also have, whenever this was my freebie, I have all of these different quote boxes, so I'll probably use one of them with this. Probably this one, honestly. It's like a pewter kind of color. And then I made these Dragon Rider solid boxes. I just took like a little bit of this rain area and then removed the dragons and found dragons and put them on and then like did a multiply effect on them, in case you wanted to know. And then there is also the shimmer, I believe, in the matte bronze, matte silver, which I feel like works perfectly for this art. I think it's fantastic, beautiful, wonderful, perfect, perfection. And this one I probably won't do any quotes right away because I'll wait and see like what quotes I like from the book and then probably add them in later, which is totally fine because why not? No rules. Then this is the week of January 27th through February 2nd. I am using this magical cruise set because I am going on a cruise. And I have this set with all, actually I don't have any of the extras. I might need to grab those. Or are they in here? Might need at least some doodles or something, you know what I'm saying? Maybe I should bring this back and then offer, because like the Wicked one, I think this is one that people probably want to pick up some extras of, because if you ever go on a cruise or even a Disney cruise, well, if you would go on a Disney cruise or if you just go on a cruise in general, I think it's super cute if you're a Disney lover, but I might need some like doodles and such for this. Or I could just use Disney ones. I don't know. We'll see. And then I really debated on the foil like combination for this and everything, but I really wanted to use this, and I feel like it's one of those foil bundles where like anytime you have an excuse to use it, you want to use it. And it is the Pixie Dust in Sparkly Red, Sparkly Hollow. And I thought that this would look so fantastic with this. There is like a faux gold throughout. So what I wanted to do to pull that in is I'm using the gold glitter solid boxes. And I think like this on top of this is going to be wild, crazy, beautiful, perfect, perfection because of all of the red, and then the Sparkly Hollow I think leans into like the blue tones, and I think it is going to be fantastic, my friends. So I'm very excited to go on a vacation with my family. I'm also excited because this year Nick and I are probably going to go on our first ever vacation, like not a staycation, like an actual vacation in 7.5 years. So I'm very excited about that. And we're going to be going international, baby, to see one of my bestest friends. So that's everything. I hope you like this lineup. Hope it gave you a little inspiration. I feel like it's kind of like a little basic, but like sometimes that's just what you need. And I'm just vibing with the vibes. And I hope you like this video. And I love you. And thank you for watching. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.